And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 29, verses 19 up to 27. Laban replied, "It is better for me to let you marry Rachel than someone else to have her. So stay and work for me." Jacob worked for 7 years for Laban, but the time seems like only a few days because he loved Rachel so much. Jacob said to Laban, "The time is up and I want to marry Rachel now." So Laban gave a big feast and invited all their neighbors. But the evening he brought Leah to Jacob, who married her and spent the night with her. Laban also gave Silpah to Leah as her servant. The next morning, Jacob found out that he had married Leah, and he asked Laban, "Why did you do this to me? Didn't I work for Rachel? Why did you trick me?" Laban replied, "In our country, the older daughter must get married first. After After you spend this week with Leah, you may also marry Rachel, but you will have to work for me another 7 years." So, what happened here is Jacob worked for 14 years for him to marry uh, Rachel. So, that's what